Hi, in this episode we'll look at how can we modify the existing commit. So we have made some changes to the commit. That change is now pushed to the server, and now we want to make change to it. So we have a file april.txt. So now we actually wanted to write April, or there was some other change. I'm just modifying this. Control O, Control X, and now I will add this change, git add. Now the change has been staged. So git status, we can see here our modification is now staged. So we'll issue simple command git commit minus minus amend, or hyphen hyphen amend. So it will ask me like if you want to change the message or if you like it. So I'll press escape :q quit. Now our change has been modified. Our commit is modified. I will just simply push this. Okay. Now it says that there is a difference. The commit that the server has, the commit that local repository has, there is a difference between both of them. And it could be a very dangerous as well. If somebody else has pushed the changes, it can break those changes as well. And if you're 100% sure, so you just git push minus F. So these changes are pushed forcefully. But this was a very dangerous command. In our case, we knew that there is no other commit, so I used git push minus F command to force here. I will refresh this, so its hash will be recalculated. So this is now a new commit which contains this April thing. Okay. If you have watched closely, the tool suggested me not to use this command and instead use another flag. So let's modify this again. So nano apr.txt modified second time, Control O, Control X, git add dot. I want to change the existing commit, so git commit amend. I will accept the message escape :q, like this :q. So this is what I typed in the editor. Okay, now we want to push these changes again. It will warn me that there is a mismatch. Let's read the command here. It says it is rejected, cannot fast forward the remote repository. But we know we want to push these changes, but instead of forcefully, we'll use this command git push force with lease. So it's just a command git push force with lease. It will see if the git or if the command is not modified, if the previous state is not modified, or somebody else has not committed something to the repository, it will automatically fix the remote commit. Otherwise it will not override it. So I will use git push force with lease. I will reload this thing, and if we look at here, so we can see the modify change. So it's a very simple trick. If you are working on your own branch, on your commit, and you want to modify the committed or the existing commit, I hope it makes sense. Take care. Bye.
Please subscribe to our channel.